A warm welcome to class 2 students. Today we begin new chapter in grammar, chapter 10, present continuous tense. All of you be ready with your textbook and open page number 49. So children, what is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense describe actions that are taking place at the time of speaking. For example, now you all are listening to the class and learning grammar. So it's a action that take place at the time of speaking. And what is the form of present continuous tense? We use am, is, are plus ing form of the verb. And where do we use am? We use am with I, is with singular noun and pronoun, are with plural nouns and pronoun, and in all the continuous tense we use ing with the verb. Now look at the picture given in page number 49 and describe the actions that are happening now. The sun is shining. Here the sun is singular, so we use is shining. Now look at this verb shine and we add ing with the verb, so it becomes shining. Next one, the clouds are floating across the blue sky. Here the clouds are plural, so we use are floating. I am swimming in the sea. Arpan and Saisha are making a sandcastle. Ria is relaxing under an umbrella. A bird is carrying a worm in its beak. A book and a pair of sunglasses are lying on the mat. So here, the highlighted verbs tells us the actions that are happening now. And all these highlighted verbs are in present continuous tense. Now we move to page number 50. Read this table to understand the use of am, is, are plus ing form of the verb. Ledika is playing. He is playing. She is playing. It is playing. The child is playing. So you can see here we add ing with the verb play. And all these nouns are singular. So we use is with singular nouns and pronouns. Look at the next table. Gayatri and Ledika are playing. They are playing. You are playing. We are playing. The children are playing. I am playing. So all these nouns are plural. So we add are plus verb plus ing. Only in the case of I we use am. Now look at the first exercise. Fill in the blanks with is or are. The man dash selling burgers. So here you can see the man is alone. So we use which verb? Is. Second one, father dash teaching Rahul how to swim. Here father is singular, so we use is. Third one, the bears dash playing. So how many bears are there in the picture? 2. So it is plural. So the answer is are. Fourth one, Maya dash taking her grandfather to the park. So here, who is taking grandfather to the park? Maya. So Maya is singular, so we use is. Fifth one, they dash having tea. So here, how many persons are there? 2. So it is plural, so we use are. Sixth one, Jayadi dash cleaning her house. So Jayadi is singular, she alone cleaning her house. So the answer is. Next one, Alice dash waving her hand. Here Alice is singular, so we use is. Miss Joseph dash teaching. Miss Joseph is singular, so we use is. Ninth one, the children dash boarding the bus. How many children are there? More than one. So we use verb are. Next one, the river dash flowing through the valley. So river means it's a singular noun. Here we use is with the river. Next we move to page number 52. Again you have one more exercise related to this topic. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences by using am, is or are and the ing form of the verbs in the brackets. So here you have to add the helping verb plus ing with the main verb. Look at the first one, the dog dash. Here there is only one dog in the picture, so which word we use? Yes, correct. We use is barking. Second one, I dash. So which verb is given in the bracket? Sleep. So we add ing with that verb and also add the helping verb am is are. So which word is right word for this I? Am. So I am sleeping. Third one, our grandmother dash buns. So which is the main verb? Bake. So what she is doing? Grandmother is baking because grandmother is singular. So we use is baking. Fourth one, we dash our car. So which is the main verb? Wash. And which helping verb we use here? Yes, right. Are washing because we means more than one. So we use are. Fifth one, a cat dash milk. Here the main verb is given in the bracket, that is drink. So we use is drinking. Sixth one, the children dash a book. So the main verb is read and it is more than one child. So we use helping verb are. The children are reading. Seventh one, the students dash. Here the main verb is play and we add ing with that play. And the students are plural, so we use are playing. And the last one, the stars dash in the sky. The main verb is shine and we add ing with the shine. And children, be careful here. Here we drop e and add ing after n. S-H-I-N-I-N-G. Here the stars are plural, so we add here are shining. So children, let's revise once more. Present continuous tense means actions that are taking place at the time of speaking, and we use helping verbs with the main verbs that we already learned in the previous chapters. Also remember children, we use this am, is, are only in the present continuous tense. And we use am with I, is with singular nouns and pronouns, are with plural nouns and pronouns. Not only that, we also add ing with the main verb. Hope you understood this chapter well. So all of you complete the exercises neatly and clearly and learn this chapter also. Next class we continue the same book. Be ready with that. Thank you.